Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Lessons at Fingertips. Here we discuss on some important topics in really simple words so that it's easier for you all to understand and keep things in mind. Today our topic of discussion is going to be business communication and it's a part 2 of the previous video. So I know it's been really long since I posted my last video and I've been a bit irregular, but no problem. I'm back with series of new videos. So before I start with the topic, a small request to every one of you watching this video. Guys, I have seen many of you are watching my videos but you are not subscribing. So please do subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to make more videos. So let's begin with the topic. So business communication, and this is the part 2 of it. Now we already know what is business communication. In my previous video I have already discussed in detail regarding the business communication. Here in short we can say business communication is anything that is what sharing of information. Sharing of information. Whenever you are sharing any information, that is communication. But why would we call it business communication? Because sharing of information taking place within a business in internal or external terms. Within a business in internal or external term, then we call it business communication. Business communication not only implies any kind of exchange of information within the business, but also different types of business, one business to another. So that will be external business communication, right? Another point is what? Process of circulating information. Process of circulating information is communication. But why would we call it business? Because from one source to another in a business environment, process of circulating information from one source to another within a business environment, then we call it business communication. Now coming on to the types of business communication, we have what? Internal business communication. Internal business communication, horizontal and lateral business communication, or external business communication. Talking about internal business communication means what? From the name itself we know something, any exchange of information that is taking place within one business organization. Within one business organization is called internal business communication. So what do we have? Communication that happens within the members of the organization. Within the members of the organization includes both formal and informal mode of communication. We know what are the formal mode of communication. Writing a mail, isn't it, is a formal mode of communication. Writing a draft of message, okay, letters, okay, notice, these are formal mode of communication. What is informal mode of communication? The grapevine communication, not following a particular path, okay. You are getting information from one person, you are getting information from the other person, no particular path is followed, no hierarchy is followed. That is informal mode of communication, okay. So the internal business communication means exchange of information, the communication that is taking place within the business, and that can happen both in formal and informal way is called internal business communication. Now internal business communication are of again two types. One is internal upward communication, internal downward communication. What is upward communication? Hierarchy. From the hierarchy we segregate this two type of communication. That is upward, मतलब कि lower hierarchy से upper hierarchy we are moving, okay. And lower hierarchy मतलब suppose कि the HR team has got some information, and from that HR team the information is getting passed to the HR manager. Means what? Lower hierarchy से upper hierarchy जा रहा है. So that we are saying what? Internal upward business communication. So HR team to HR manager the information is passing, है ना. Then we have what? Internal downward communication. Means what? Upper hierarchy से lower hierarchy the information is flowing. That is internal downward communication. Means CEO have drafted a mail, CEO have made guidelines to be followed during the COVID-19, right? pandemic. So those guidelines are passed from CEO to all the employees working in that organization. So upper hierarchy से lower hierarchy, the information is passing. That is internal downward communication. CCO to all employees, information is passing. Next, move on to the second type of communication. That is what horizontal or lateral business communication. Means what? Communication that is taking place amongst the co-workers of the organization or firm is known as horizontal or lateral business communication. Co-workers के बीच information is passing, and whenever we are saying co-workers means what? Same level पे information is getting passed on. It's not upper hierarchy से lower hierarchy आ रहा है या lower hierarchy से upper hierarchy. Okay, what is happening? It is taking place in the same rank of people belonging to the same rank. HR manager discussing with marketing manager, discussing with operation manager, ठीक है, of an organization, discussing with financial manager. तो all are discussing in the same level. Co-workers है, all manager level पे है ना? So they are discussing. So that is horizontal or lateral business communication. अब this can take place in verbal or in written format. Okay, in verbal or in written format. So this was horizontal or lateral business communication. And the last type of communication that we have, business communication, is whenever any information regarding a business firm is provided to another business organization or officials belonging to some other organization outside the business environment, then we call it external business organization. दो different organizations के बीच information exchange हो रहा है. Okay, two different or business organization, not within the same organization. So any information regarding a business firm is provided to another business organization or officials belonging to some other organization outside the business environment. Outside that particular business environment is called as external business organization. अब इसके भी फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल होते हैं. एक बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से कोई मेल गया दूसरे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, ठीक है, या कोई नोटिस पास ऑन हुआ, तो दैट इज अ वेरी फॉर्मल, लाइक एवरीवन इज अवेयर, इट्स मेंटेनिंग द हायरार्की, सो एवरीवन इज अवेयर ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन. दैट इज फॉर्मल बिजनेस, एक्सटर्नल बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट अबाउट द इनफॉर्मल? एक ऑफिस से एक वन एम्प्लॉय कम्स आउट हैविंग टी विथ अनदर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का अनदर एम्प्लॉय, बोथ आर हैविंग टी एंड डिस्कसिंग अमंगस्ट देमसेल्फ कि यार हमारा कंपनी तो डूब रहा है, हमारा कंपनी तो इट्स अर्निंग प्रॉफिट इन लैक्स एंड क्रोर्स. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशन, दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज informal external business communication. Got it? So we have two types of external business communication. One is the formal, another is the informal. So let's take a quick recap of what all things we discussed. We discussed what is business communication in very short and crisp point. Next we discussed three types of business communication. One was internal business communication, जो कि within the business organization taking place, can be formally and informally done. This have two types. One is upward internal business communication, downward internal business communication. Other than this, the second type is horizontal or lateral business communication, which takes place within the same rank of people. And the last one is external business communication, the business communication taking place between two different business organizations outside the business environment. That is external business communication. That can be again formal and informally done. So these were the whole discussion that we did in today's video. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Please do hit a like, subscribe to my channel guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, so that also hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I am posting new videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.